I'll give you a brief description. Good morning once again to everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Be ready with your textbooks, everyone. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, we are going to start a new chapter, fields and fences. What do you think? What are we going to learn in this chapter?
Length,
About shape, meters and kilometers.
Meters and kilometers. Okay.
length,
Length. Okay. And
Ma'am, about fields.
so, what do you do about in the fields? Can anyone explain me? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, properly.
You all have read the word or familiar about the word area and the perimeter? Are you all familiar about these two words? Area, what is area and what is perimeter?
Ma'am, I'm aware about area but not perimeter.
What is
Yes,
area?
I also, ma'am.
It's a particular place.
Particular place. Ma'am, I know the perimeter.
First, tell me what who know about the area. Raise their word. Raise their virtual hand. Okay. Dwani, you know about the area. What does the area means?
Area means that I live in Katargam. So Katargam is an area which is in Surat.
Means area is the space occupied by the Katargam.
Katargam, yes.
The space, yes or no? कतारगाम में कितना एरिया आता है, कितनी स्पेस जो है कतारगाम ने ऑक्यूपाई कर रखी है. ओके. एंड anyone else? See, suppose this is a big table. I am sitting on this. I have kept in the laptop. I want to find out what is the area of this laptop, or what is the area of this table, or what is suppose I want to keep this book on the table. So how much the space occupied by this book is the area of that book? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But if I want to decorate only the border, I want to decorate only the border of this book, or suppose when you make the cards, yes or no, greeting cards, if you want to only find out what is the border, how much is the border, what is the length of the border to decorate, that is called perimeter. The outside boundary of an object is called the perimeter of an object. That is why the word fields and fences have been used here. Am I clearly audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fields means when you grow the plants, that plants you will grow inside the field. Yes or no? For that, you will need the area. That how much is the area of that field? What is the area of that field? Okay. But when you want to put a fences, you all know what are fences?
That
When we
wall like
when,
a curtain.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am, it is made of wooden.
when we put the fence outside so that the cows, goats will not go inside to graze the field. Yes. तो हम जो border लगा देते हैं बाहर से. So if you want to put a fences inside the boundary of that field, that case you need to find out the perimeter of that field. Am I clear? So area is inside the space of an object, the space occupied by an object, and the perimeter is the outside boundary of an object. Am I clear? Suppose if you have a hanky, this hanky, right? This hanky, you know what is this in my hand?
Handkerchief.
Handkerchief. So
Handkerchief.
I want to decorate this handkerchief with the lace. Harsh Keshwani, lower down your hand. Moin Kaludi, please mute yourself. I want to decorate this handkerchief with the lace. Lace I will put outside the boundary, on the boundary here, not inside. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं बाहर की तरफ लेस लगाना चाहती हूँ. I want to decorate this. So for that, I want to know the perimeter of this handkerchief. Perimeter how? Suppose I am telling you this is the 4 meter of length. This much is 4, and this is square shape. So I can say these all the 4 sides are 4. So when I add 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, and plus 4 is 16. So 16 meter or centimeter, whatever the unit I have used. Suppose I was telling you this is the 4 centimeter. So I will say 16 centimeter lace I will need to decorate this with the perimeter. Okay, in this case, I need to find the perimeter. Is this interesting topic or not? I want to be active, everyone, and participate.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, this is.
It
Yes.
is so interesting.
So for this case, I want to need to find out the perimeter of this handkerchief.
boundary. Ma'am means
Boundary. Yes, I want to show you one video and the story based on this area and perimeter. Once you will clear this story, you will better understand this chapter. Here you are late in class. I'm going to mute myself and then I will play. Please let me know whether this is, just let me take the attendance for a minute.
These are my brother and sister. Can you help us? Hello, everybody. Why do you all look sad? What is your problem? Tell me, I will help you. Meenu, there is a big fat cat
Audible.
that comes here.
Video is audible to you all.
Very
Yes,
scared
ma'am.
of
Yes, ma'am.
the cat. When our mother goes out, the cat comes and chases us. We are not able to play at all.
Oh, that big fat cat. I have seen it also. It is very naughty. Meenu, can you help the chicks?
Yes, I can. Chick, come with me and show me the place where you play. I will fix a fence around that place. Then the cat will not be able to come inside. That's really sweet, Meenu. Come with us. I will show you the place. Look, we play here. We play, run and catch, and also fly. You play fly. It must be a special game for the chicks. Yes, we all try to fly. Whoever flies for a longer time without falling wins. Futta, let's fix a fence for the chicks. First, let me mark a boundary. For the play area, let me use this stick.
See, first they have marked the area, how much is the area occupied by them. Now they are going to fit the fences outside the border. So now they will measure, if they want to put the fences, so they will measure the length of the outside boundaries and then they will measure. For example, fences को लगाने के लिए कोई रस्सी तो चाहिए होगी, whatever, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much the thread or how much the rope and how much are the fences required, they want to know the outside boundary, and that is called the outside boundary when they measure in the form of the length and the breadth. Okay?
Is this boundary fine, Chick? Yes, Meenu. This is fine. This place is enough for us to play. Futta, now let us measure the boundary. Let me get the meter rope from home. Here it is, my meter rope. Now let me measure the boundary. It is 12 meters this side, 8 meters, 9 meters and 8 meters again.
Let me find out the length of the boundary, Meenu. It is 12 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8, which is 37. So, the length of the boundary is 37 meters.
So students, whenever we are measuring the length of the boundary, then we add all the lengths. अगर 4-sided figure है, 5-sided figure है, just add all the sides and then you will able to find out the perimeter of that figure. Am I clear? That is called perimeter. The outside boundary is called perimeter. The inside space, the space occupied by an object is called the area. Am I clear?
Meter.
Any doubt in the area and the perimeter?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, this is how you find the length of a boundary. You have to add the length of all the sides.
Yes, Chick, that's right. That's how we find out the length of any boundary. This house or any field or a playground or a table.
Chick, now I will go and get 4 strong sticks to put at the 4 corners of the boundary. Now we know that the length of the boundary is 37 meters. So I will go and get wires to fix in the boundary. Just wait here. I will come. I will go and look in our house. I think we have some wires at home.
Meenu, wait. I will also come with you. Let's look for the wires.
Here it is. Nice thick ones. Come, let's go and fix it for the chicks. Futta, hold this end. Let's fix it. It looks good now. The cat cannot trouble you anymore. You can play happily inside. Thank you, Meenu. You are really sweet. Thank you, chick. Come with me. I will give you some grains to eat.
Minu, this is very good. You have made a nice play place for the chicks. But look, the mango tree is also inside the play place. The chicks can get hurt if a mango falls.
Oh no! I didn't think of it, Grandma. I thought they could play running round and round the mango tree. Oh no! They can get hurt if a mango drops down.
Just pull the boundary inside, Minu, and leave the mango tree outside of the playing place.
Okay, Grandma. Futta, will you please help me? This is fine now. Ooh, the wire is falling short now. We have to get more wire from the house.
How, Minu? Has the length of the boundary changed?
Yes, chick. I will show you how. Futta, let's measure the length of the sides. 3 sides are the same. So, it is 12 plus 8 plus 9, which is 20.
See, students, now the figure is changed. You can see somewhere it's going outside. So figure is changed. So what we will do, how we will find out what is the outside boundary. So first we measure this length, then this, then again this. You can see the curves, and this way you can add up the lengths of outside boundaries and find the total boundary. Now when the figure is
38 meter.
will there any changes in the finding the boundary? Yes or no?
Voice is cutting.
I am telling that if the figure is changed, so will there any changes in the boundary?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Change.
Yeah, because that 1 meter is cutted. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So if you change the outside boundary, the changes in the total perimeter will also can come sometimes and will not come sometimes. It depends. Clear? So don't get confused. If you want to find out the perimeter of the figure, just add the length of the outside boundary and find. Clear? Any doubt to any child how to find the perimeter of the figure?
No, ma'am.
It can be any irregular figure also. Irregular means when it is not square, when it is not rectangular, the regular figures which you have learned. It is irregular figure. When it is not defined that which figure is that, then also you can easily find out the perimeter of that figure by just finding the length of the outside boundary. So remember, outside boundary is the perimeter, inside space is the area. Am I clear? So these are the two different terms. Suppose if I want to put the flowers in the field, I want to find the area or I want to find the perimeter? Tell me. If I want to grow flowers in the field.
Area.
Area. Because flowers will grow inside the field. Okay. Clear? Any doubt to any child about the area and the perimeter?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Again, I'm going to play this. Listen this carefully.
Pointed out, sir.
9. Now, let's measure this side. It is 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2, which is 9. So, the length of the boundary is 29 plus 9, which is 38 meters. It was 37 meters before. So it has increased by 1 meter. Let me get 1 more meter the wire from the house.
Meenu, wait. I will go get it. It's nicely fixed now. Chick, your play place is now safe also.
Thank you, Futta. Meenu, can you find out the length of all boundaries like this? Can you find out the length of the boundary of any field?
Yes, we can. I will show it to you. Let me draw the shape of Papa's field. It looks like this. This side is 29 meters long. This is 18 meters. This is 10 meters long. And this is 26 meters long.
Now this is one field. Find the perimeter of this field and tell me what is the perimeter of this field. Fast. Yes, Harsh Keshwani, some task has been given to you. Beta, this is one field.
I'm 83 meter.
I am expecting from everyone to solve this and find the perimeter of this field.
Ma'am, 83.
And write in the chat box fast.
Ma'am, 125 meters.
Let me also solve this. What it is coming?
83 meters.
125 meters.
83 meters.
One is saying 125, another is
Ma'am, 83 meters.
Pragyan, you are
83
writing in
meters.
some another language, please. check.
85
Yes,
meters.
ma'am, by mistakenly.
Some is saying 83, some is saying 85. Just let me
Ma'am,
also check.
83 is right.
Ma'am, 83.
Ma'am, 83 meters.
83
Ma'am, 83.
meters. Yes, 83 meters is right. Please write the same unit whichever is given in the question. And if it is centimeter, you will write centimeter. If it is meter, you will write meter. Am I clear? Shivani, Shivangini, mute your mic. This is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow, Mike.
Oh, Papa's field has a very funny shape. It's long here and small here.
Yes. Now, let me find out the length of the boundary of Papa's field. It is 29 plus 18 plus 10 plus 26, which is
83.
the length of the boundary of the field is
83.
meters.
Even Ramu uncle's field has a funny shape. It is very close to Papa's field. Ramu uncle's field is like this. This is 25 meters. This is 10 meters. This is 18 meters. And this is also 18 meters. And this side is.
Find the perimeter of this figure. Someone has given the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have given the first 71 m.
81.
Ma'am, 81 meter. Ma'am, it's 81 meter.
81 is wrong. My dear, you facing the problem in addition? Pritika, Dhwani, Vedi.
81 meter. 70.
No, ma'am, 81 meter.
Yes. Those who are saying 81 is correct, 91 is wrong,
Yes, ma'am.
71 is wrong.
Ma'am, it was 81.
81 is right. Pragyan, check. And Asta, if you not write meter or centimeter, the answer will be half wrong. आधे number मिलेंगे. If you not write the proper unit along with it, what is 81? 81 can be centimeter also. Right?
It's 10 meters again. So the length of his boundary is 25 plus 10 plus 18 plus 18 plus 10, which is 81 meters. So the boundary of Ramu uncle's field is 81 meters long.
Meenu, what is this?
This is called a chessboard. We use this to play chess.
Can we find the length of the boundary of this chessboard?
Yes, we can. Let me first measure the sides. It is 40 centimeters. It is 40 centimeters. It is 40 centimeters.
Oh my God, all the four sides are 40, 40. Is there any magic inside it?
180 centimeter. 180
240.
Listen my question.
160 centimeter.
Right now, I'm not asking the perimeter. Listen my question carefully, my dear. Why all the sides are same? Is there any magic?
No, ma'am, it is a square shape. That's why.
Yes. Dear Pritika, you all are giving right answer, but I request you to keep your camera on. Jignesh, put your camera on.
And my camera is on only.
Pritika, put your camera on. My dear, you are excellent in giving the answers. Why you keep your camera off, Pritika? As I asked that there is a surprise there. Why all the sides are same? Pritika has given the right answer because it's a square.
Square shape. Yes.
Yeah, so square has all the sides
Equal.
same.
Equal.
So when we add this and need to find out the perimeter of this chessboard, so what is the perimeter?
160 centimeters.
160 centimeter. Okay.
160 centimeter.
See, I want to tell you one thing. Tomorrow also you have to bring some objects where you need to find at least 2 objects each child will bring to show me how to find the perimeter of that object. For example, right now I show you that I want to put a lace outside here on the border. So I show you this napkin to you, the handkerchief to you, and I have explained that if I want to put a lace on the outside border, how much centimeter lace I need. And I have given one more example of the greeting card. If I want to decorate the border of that greeting card, how much border I want to decorate, how many centimeters border I want to decorate for the. So same way you also either explain me about any 2 objects or either show me the demonstration of any 2 objects that ma'am, in this case we will find the perimeter and this is the length of my object, this will be the perimeter. Am I clear to you all? Any two objects you have to bring. I will continue this video.
Ma'am, if we bring one, then it's okay.
One?
Yes, one.
Any minimum two at least.
Okay, ma'am.
And 40 centimeters.
So all four sides are of the same length. It is 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40.
That's right, Chick. But we can also do 4 times 40, which is 4 into 40 is equal to 160. So, the length
In this case, we can also do in this way also. If you know one side length and multiply it by the four sides, so it will give you the total length of the four sides. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
of the boundary of this chessboard is 160 centimeters.
Meenu, can I also do some? Will you draw some shapes for me? I will find out the length of the boundary.
Okay, Chick. This is the shape of my set square in my geometry box. This side is 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. Can you
Find the perimeter of this figure.
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
Yes, right.
tell me the length of the boundary of this set square?
Yes, Meenu, I will try. It is 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 12. So the length of the boundary is 12 centimeters.
So now students, you have to read the page number 149, 150, 151. Read this from 149 to 151 and come tomorrow in the class. We will discuss more about the perimeter and the area. Okay? And please bring at least 2 objects to explain me how to find the perimeter of that object. What is the length of these objects? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye and have a nice day. See you tomorrow.
Have a nice day.